If you've been wondering how to get SurveyMonkey for free, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple way to use SurveyMonkey without paying for a plan right away, by starting with a template, editing it, and then publishing your survey so you can collect responses. This is a great option if you just need to build a survey quickly for school, work, research, feedback, or a small project. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once the website loads, you'll land on the main dashboard or the For You page. From here, look for the Create Survey option and click it. This is where SurveyMonkey lets you start building your survey from scratch or from a template, and using a template is usually the fastest way to get going if you want a free and simple setup. After that, click on Pick a popular template. SurveyMonkey has a variety of ready-made templates for different use cases, so instead of building every question manually, you can start with one that already matches your goal. This saves time and makes the whole process much easier, especially if you're new to the platform. Now you'll see the template library. Browse through the available templates and click on any template you want to use. You can choose one based on the kind of survey you're creating, whether that's customer feedback, event planning, employee opinions, or general research. Once you find one that fits your needs, open it so you can review the questions and structure before using it. Next, click Use this template. This is the step that brings the selected template into your survey editor so you can customize it. Once the template opens, you'll be able to edit the questions, adjust the wording, and shape the survey so it matches your exact purpose. If you want to keep it simple, you can leave most of it as is. If you want it to be more specific, this is where you make those changes. Now click on any question you want to edit. SurveyMonkey makes it easy to change the text, update response options, or remove questions you don't need. You can rewrite the question so it sounds more clear, more professional, or more relevant to your audience. Take a moment here to review the whole survey carefully, because making small edits can improve the quality of your responses later on. Once you're happy with the edits, click Publish Survey. Publishing makes your survey live and ready to send out. This is the point where your survey becomes active, so make sure everything looks correct before moving forward. It's always a good idea to double check the title, questions, and any answer choices before you publish. After that, SurveyMonkey will generate a shareable link for your survey. Copy that link and you can send it by email, message, social media, or anywhere else you want to collect responses. This is the part that makes the process feel free and easy, because once your survey is published, you can distribute it without needing to rebuild everything from scratch. Just share the link and start gathering responses. So that's the simple process for getting started with SurveyMonkey for free using a template, editing your survey, and publishing it so you can share the link. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.